Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Quick Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add music in your Zoom meeting. If you add a little bit of background music, it tends to help loosen people up, it sets the mood, and it just kind of creates an atmosphere that is same as if in person. If you walk into the room, you can easily connect with people by the help of music. You just simply have to look on bottom of your screen, you'll find share screen, just click here. And under the advanced option, just click on computer audio and click on share. Now you can play any music from your computer and it will be played on your Zoom meeting. That's how you can play music on your Zoom meeting. That's easy and simple. That's it for today guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up. Comments and feedbacks would be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time and thank you for watching.